Hi guys, today we're gonna do CCTV, the awesomest one because you were waiting for. And also we're gonna do tie-dye today, and we're gonna get this t-shirt right away. Okay guys, so that is really fun. And also we're gonna have some food coloring because there's coronavirus. Okay, that's a coronavirus. I want you to see it really close enough for time. If that hypnotizes you, that won't. Okay, now you're unhypnotized. Next, you need to have these rubber bands. Rubber band. Rubber band is waiting. Rubber bands. Okay, now first we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rubber bands. You need 6 rubber bands. Okay, and now we're gonna do. And now we're doing chapter 2. And first, what we're gonna do? Do this.
See you in chapter 2.
Okay. See you in chapter 2. Hi guys, today we're in chapter 2. And also we're gonna do the best day after life. Okay, so first we're going to have this t-shirt and do this correctly.
Make a spiral.
Make a spiral, like yo, hypnotize. Okay, like do a spiral, but not a hypnotizing spiral because that will be so crazy if you made a hypnotizing spiral. Okay, after that you make your mom do these bands, and don't do it because you might ruin it because kids might ruin it. And see you on chapter see you on chapter 3. And also, I need to go because it's chapter 3 time to go away. Bye. Hello guys, today what's chapter again? Chapter 3. And also we're gonna do the best part. And your t-shirt will look like this, but you don't need to copy. You can do your own spiral. You don't need to copy it for real. You just need to make it spiral and then let your mom do the band. Okay, now, and then put this. This is a little bit heavy. Okay, this is the water. I'm going to show you what's the water. But I'm afraid it might spill. Can you see? Okay. Okay, and then put it here. Okay, I'm just so scared. Okay, put it right here. How many drops? 7?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Oh, I'm so scared. How? I'm mixing it with my one finger. I'm mixing it. So, why it looks so golden? Okay, we're gonna make a golden t-shirt maybe. Oh, it's because of the water. I think it's because of the water. Okay, now do it orange. It's orange. Okay, now put it here.
Josie.
And then put it. Ooh, it's like I can see. Ooh, it didn't color. Okay, do this.
Sissy, tell them you're gonna see them in
chapter 4. I'm gonna see you in the chapter 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so bye. See you later, alligator. My hands smell like lemon. Hi guys, today it needs to look like this, but you need to add the coloring over here because my mom this didn't work. So this is a waste of water. So we're going to do this. Okay, so we're gonna do this now. And now you need to wait. What should we do next?
Let it dry.
Let it dry. Somewhere here. Okay, let it dry over there or any place you can think of. So see you tomorrow because this is gonna be tomorrow because it needs dry. So bye. Bye. See ya.
I never made it, but am excited.